Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the text command in SolidWorks sketching. So let's start. Here is the icon of the text. As you can see, now what it states, it is going to sketch as text on any set of continuous curves or edges. So it needs a continuous curve or edges. So definition tells us here lies an requirement of what? Of a curve, so that we can select that curve and enter the text to display on that particular curve. We cannot place the text without having any curve in the graphics window. So these are some limitations regarding the command. So be focused that we need a curve to place the text. Now let's go to the sketch and I'm going to choose the front plane. Now just go to the normal view. Again, click on normal view because I need the orientation like this. Now just go to the text command because I want to show you something. Here you have to type the text like I'm certified from Dassault. So I'm going to just type that I'm certified from Dassault. Okay, now you can see here comes the text, but this is not aligned. You do not know any position of the text. Like I can just place it, but unable to identify the location of this. So basically we give the text on the curves to control them. Okay, so you can see there comes the text, but we are to be rigid with the position. Like if I just go to the rectangle and have the text like this, but I am unable to give the location. Like just if I just go to the smart dimension and select this, now select this point, like I can give it as 20 and then give this point as 10. But now comes the case. What case? Suppose if I want to print this on this, sheet, or you can say as any surface. So it is very difficult to mark this point and align this text like this. So it is to be keep in mind that while giving the text you have to just define the curve here so that you can change the orientation, like in which orientation you want to have. We have certain options here, like we have the bold, italic, and then we have the rotate. Okay, so this is going to just take a reference of that curve so that it could easily can have the text aligned to the curve. Suppose if I want to have this text like this, like a rainbow, so I am unable to do that without having the curves here because there is no option to align this text in the format I am just asking you. That's the reason we need the curve. We are able to place this text like this, but we are unable to align it like in the manner we want. So I'm going to just have the curve here. So to have the curve, I am going to have the 3-point arc. So in the case of 3-point arc, I'm going to start from here to here and just give the curve like this. Now this point and this point needs to be horizontal. Okay, now you can see we have a curve like this, and I'm going to convert to construction geometry. Construction geometry. Now after that, we need to go to the text. Now here comes the curves dialog box. Now here comes the curves selection box. So I'm going to select this curve. Now I'm going to again type this certified from Dassault. So that's the main reason of having the curve. Now you can see the clear difference that what is the clear difference between both of this. Like this is without placing the curve and this is with placing the curve. Now if I just have these in the middle, okay, just delete those spaces and check these options, like we have the central line. I hope you are familiar with the MS Excel or MS Word so that you can align the text like this. Okay, so these are some options. This is justify, like fully justify the text. Okay, now this is to reverse the direction, like flip vertical, flip, have the flip in regards to this vertically flip. Now this one, And if I just want to have like this, so this is all the options we have. And if you do not want to use the document font like what is described in the document font, so you can increase or decrease. Like we have the width factor, I want to increase the width, so I'm going to click on 120, or you can enter any value as per the choice. And this is the gap between them, so I'm going to increase that one also like this, so it will increase the gap. But here the font is coming out, so I'm going to give it as 100. So this is how you can use the sketch text. And one thing more, you can define any shape of the curve, it entirely up to you, and it will trace, please listen carefully, that it will trace that particular curve to place the text over that curve. So this is all in the text command. I hope you like this tutorial, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel and to share this video. This is how we have completed the text command. Thank you so much.